disabilities.
Help people see our abilities instead of our disabilities.
Thank you so much for your support this year. We couldn't do what we do without you.
Thank you for your support for We Give Catholic 2020 and for supporting persons with disabilities.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you to the donors out there. We love you.
All right.
Bye. Totally awesome.